must eat lot of fruits to protect ourselves from diseases. Really? But how can fruits protect us from diseases? They are not a doctor. Why don't we hear it from fruits themselves? What they are rich in and how do they protect us? Let's hear them. It will be so knowledgeable and interesting.
We mangoes are the king of the fruits and children love us the most. We are full of vitamin A, which is good for your eyes.
Yes, this is very fun and yummy mangoes like ice cream and raw and pickles. You so much for dear mango. I love it the most.
Taste is not important. Haven't you heard? An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
We apples are full of iron and even be processed to make jam, juice and pie.